Have you ever heard a little voice inside you say, "You can't do it"? Maybe it tells you that you are not good enough, even when you try your best. You are not alone. Everyone feels this way sometimes, even people who seem very confident. But that voice is not telling you the truth. It is only a thought. You can teach yourself to listen to your own heart instead of these negative voices. When you do this, your doubt will become smaller. Confidence does not come all at once. It grows slowly, step by step. Every time you try, even if you feel afraid, you build confidence. When you speak up or try again after a mistake, you become stronger. It is normal to feel unsure sometimes. What matters is that you keep moving forward, even when life is hard. Be patient with yourself. Growth does not happen in one day, it takes time. Your journey is different from others. You do not need to compare yourself to anyone else. Do not worry too much about what others think or say. When you stop looking for approval from other people, you give yourself space to grow real confidence. Fear is not always a bad thing. Sometimes it shows you what is important to you. To be brave means to act, even when you are scared. When you feel doubt, try to be kind to yourself. Tell yourself, "I am learning, I am good enough right now." These words can help open new doors in your life. Remember what Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "No one can make you feel inferior without your consent." This means your value does not depend on what others say about you. You have the power to decide how you see yourself. You do not have to be perfect today. Celebrate every small moment when you choose hope over fear. Your journey to confidence belongs to you. No one else can walk it for you. Every step forward is important. Keep supporting yourself, even when it is difficult. With patience and kindness, your strength will grow inside you. Every time you try, you grow stronger. So today, take one small step forward. Trust yourself enough to begin. Your confidence can start growing right now. Thanks for joining us here at Quote Temple today. See you next time.